So while I got some time before I go hit the lake, I'm gonna talk about these arc pearl pliers. So it comes in this handy little pouch. This right here, you can put your belt through that so it'll hang on the side. I like the pouch. They're heavy. I mean, while you're out fishing, that could get in the way. And as soon as I can figure out how to get it open, right there, you just flip that, it opens up. Y'all, these are like really heavy duty, solid pliers. Multifunction, as I mentioned, split ring. There's a crimping tool in here. You got wire cutters. This is a very versatile tool. Now, today, what I'm gonna use it for, and I don't know if you heard or not, but there's been a lot of buzz about changing your split rings on your jerk baits. It's a technique that Drew Gill actually used. I watched a video on the Seagar website yesterday. So instead of the split ring, which could limit the mobility of the hook. So the theory is that if a fish hits this, the split ring could potentially cause the fish to get off. So instead of using the split ring, what you are going to do is going to tie braid on there. All right, 1. Number 2. I can't stay away from you too long. And the point of it all, I love you. Finally, number 3. The braid is going to tie to the eye of the hook and the eye of the lure itself. You want to use 40 or either 50-pound braid, just for demonstration purposes, just because I don't have 40 with me. This is 30. You're going to double the knot, similar to the way you start a Palomar knot. Go in the eye, come back through the eye, make the loop, okay? You do need the shaft of a screwdriver, something small, maybe 2 to 3 millimeters in diameter. I'm going to use the end of a flagpole that I got from Jamaica. Wagwan. So before we get to that, on the loop end, you're going to make a loop within itself. And the way that you do that is you go over, you pull through, and voila. Just like that, okay? Now, this is where the end of my flagpole is going to come in handy, okay? This is going to sit right here between the lure and the hook, all right? That loop in itself, that tagging is going to come through there, okay? And here we go. Tied. Boom. Now you're going to take your tag in, tie an overhand knot, and do it again. And do it again just for kicks and giggles. Boom. Boom. Gonna take my Arco pliers and cut again. Boom. Pull my flag through. And there you go, y'all. It's going to turn however many revolutions it needs to turn. It's free to move left to right. And it doesn't impair the movement of your jerk bait. So there you go. Try it out. Let me know how it works for you. Peace.
She did catch all of them. I'm proof. I watched.